Yeah, so I like this event. The reason I'm here for the third time, it's not third time lucky. You seem to attract the right level of audience for us. So every conversation we've had today has been really useful. They've been interested in our technology. They're at the right level of what we're trying to attract. We haven't had to have conversations with students or get away or people just trying to grab our goods and things like that. So we've had no issues around quality of the audience. It's definitely a quality audience, and that's what we like about it. You did exactly the same job in other countries, and then we look forward to doing more with you in the region as well. Yes, good question. So I think there's a number of different types of customer we've spoken to today. Some are in financial, some are in manufacturing, some are managed service providers also. And these are absolutely the areas, so the fit of the verticals of the conversation we've had with the vertical customers has been great today. So it's the type of fit that we're looking for. We've had numerous conversations around managed service providers, as well as end users, as well as partners. So we need all this when we're starting in a country, and that's what this event's been given us. So it's good. Well, we've got quite a lot of key takeaways, and that's the leads we've got. We actually have a marketing agency here in Malaysia that will take these leads and then nurture them to the next level. We also hear with our distributor, and it was the first time for them to see the products. They're a regional distributor of ours, but they've been wowed as well. So I think people have been interested to see they can get the SLA from the SOC team down from industry average, which is about 15 to 20 minutes, down to 5 minutes. And so the one key takeaway for everybody is use AI in the right way, use it on-prem, use the automation in the right way, and really get that response time down to 5 minutes. Because in 15 minutes, a lot of things can happen. A lot of ransomware attacks can happen, a lot of things. So the quicker you can respond to threats, find the needle in the haystack is also the other issue. The conversation we've had today is a lot of the SOC teams are drowning in alerts, and it's becoming, getting alert fatigue. It's like any human, anomaly, alert, which one is real? So it's getting through that noise, getting rid of the noise, using automation, using AI to determine what is the real one, and then fixing it quickly. And so that's been the essence of the conversations we've had today amongst pretty much everybody. And so we are not known in the world. We're not a known brand. So we need events like this to give us exposure, to understand what's happening. We had some interesting conversations today with government organizations, because we're helping the government back at our home base to defend the country against bad actors that are trying to invade in Europe. You know who I'm talking about. The same thing's happening here in Asia with PRC doing the same thing. And so we're really talking about some serious geopolitical tensions that are going on. And we're hoping we can help, through events like this, generate more awareness of what's happening elsewhere and bring that learning to the ASEAN region.